Today's topic is Rice Harvest Day, Philippines. That's what they call a reaper. We call it a harvester back home. There comes the tractor with the rice. This is my wife's rice farm. She shares with her kids, older kids. They used to do it by hand and with carabao. They did last year. I should have saved the videos on that. The price of rice is down. It's about 15 cents a kilo. Each bag is about 25 kilos maybe. Not sure how many hectares my wife and kids has. I think it's 2.5, 3. Very hard work. We'll be taking it to the mill. I guess there that they dry it and husk it and everything. Love to get one of those harvesters. They're about 1 million pesos, 1.2, about as much as our car. My wife and I are both farmers by hand, you know, grew up that way, and boy, if we met in our younger years, we'd be so much farther ahead. So, very hard work. But we live in a farming community, as you can see. Do a little scanning here of the area. My wife is chit-chatting with the helpers. Say hi.
Hi. Making video again?
Yeah, taking video again. Very hot today. All week the temperature's been about 95, 97 degrees. Very little rain. We're in the dry season right now. Yeah, if I was younger, I'd be joining them. Okay, I'll try to be back with more. Well, they just come back with the second batch from the field down there. As they say here in this country, rice is life. That's what it's all about. For us back in the States, it's potatoes. Here it's everything is rice. Even when you go to McDonald's or any of those fast foods, they serve rice. That's their main meal. Okay. Be back again. Okay, we're back on the third load. Let's go take a look. Excuse me. I was talking to the owner of the company who does the harvesting, and he didn't want to go on camera. He's a little shy, but it'd be good for his business. But he was telling me this war with Iran is really hurting the farmers here, including with my wife and the workers, the tractor here, and of course the harvesters. They run on diesel. The price of diesel is going sky high, and it's costing more money. The price of rice is very, very low. It's hard for anybody to make a profit. They're working pennies to a dollar. It's really hard on the locals here. And they're talking about fertilizer. 90% of the fertilizer comes from the Straits there through Iran. And it's going to be hard fertilizer was already up, but now it's going to go higher when it comes planting season in a few months. So there's just seriously thinking about going back to using Carabao to try to break even, or at least. I don't know. Let's pray that this war stops very soon. It's hurting everybody here. Okay, I mentioned that in my last videos, but they keep saying it's not going to last long, but it keeps escalating. I don't know what's going to happen, and nobody's does. It's hard to make plans. Okay, we'll see you later. We'll be back. Well, here comes number 4. Looks like getting a bigger harvest this year than last year. Oh, here's the boss. Yeah, love that hat. Okay, we'll update you on count later. Oh, here's number 5 that just came in. Plus we got a little surprise up here. Way out here, a little ice cream trike came. Perfect day for ice cream. What kind they have?
This one.
This one?
Yeah.
How much money for this one ice cream?
Mano kami nila? 10. 10 pesos.
All right, 10 pesos. She's looking for shells?
Yeah.
Let me get my ice cream. Oh, it's yellow. Yeah, this is the drainage ditch. Or drainage ditch. Irrigation ditch. They just turned the water up the other day. So now they're looking for shells. Little tiny shells. I guess that's a good meal, right? How do you cook? Their shells are tiny, huh? Oh, here comes more. This is a farm, typical farm tractor. They use these. Going to the market, the whole family gets together. Take a look at this closer. Now that's cool. Right on. Okay. Get out of the way. Ah, they're still looking for shells. Free food. Okay, let's see what we can do. Okay, we'll be back again. Everybody's getting ice cream. Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Wow!
Ice cream. Yummy. Yum yum. There's the boss. My wife is in charge. I was wrong about the hectare size. She's only got a little over a hectare, but she's doing good. They got a total of 136 bags. They're not all quite here yet. They're still gathering up. That's pretty good for just a little over 1 hectare. But to my surprise, they don't test the soil. I told her you can get a lot of free fertilizer from these chicken farms since the price of fertilizer is so high because of the war. Actually, her daughter has a chicken farm. They have so much manure, they had to bury it, dig a big hole and bury it because people were complaining about the smell, the neighbors and stuff. I told her, heck, get all that chicken manure and spread it out here on the fields, you know. Save some money. But they're set in their old ways. Only give opinions and suggestions. Okay, this looks like the last one. Number 6, I think. Lost count. These suckers are heavy. We were going to treat them for ice cream, but I guess they just had lunch, so they're not worried about it. This is the farm foreman here. Name is Issue. Very nice guy. I guess the leftover goes to the harvest company. That's their fee. Okay. Well, in this we get to see the shells. You come and explain, honey. You come and explain. Pick some
It's
up.
not only shell. It's they have also the crabs.
Also what?
Crabs.
Right. Put some in your hand. It's hard to see.
Crabs. Oh.
Oh my goodness.
Crabs. Oh.
Well, hold still.
Hold still.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
Crab.
And a shell. Let me see. They're long tail shell.
Yeah.
How do you cook them?
You boil the water.
You boil them in water?
Yeah.
How do you get them out of the shell?
You soup it.
You just suck it up. Okay. How about?
All like this.
Okay. Well, how about the crab? How do you cook the crab?
You also boil water and then put these things on.
Don't they bite you?
Boil. Of course, that one, oh.
Okay. Well, how do you eat them?
You
show me. Chew them out.
you remove this.
Remove. Wait.
This one, and then you open that.
Oh.
And the crab is biting me already.
Okay. All right. Okay. Thank you. Okay, we have to say bye-bye to everybody. Okay, thank you everybody for watching. You get to see more later. We'll catch you on another day.